Assalamu alaikum and welcome. I am Mr. Hussain, meal expert at PMCC Gilgit-Baltistan. Thank you for joining this learning session. Today we will discuss 10 practical and proven ways to market yourself better as a freelancer and attract more clients in today's competitive digital marketplace. Let's dive right into this explainer and build your blueprint for success.
So let's start with a really tough question. Why is it that incredibly talented, highly skilled freelancers so often struggle to find and keep good clients? A lot of us jump into freelancing because we love the freedom, right? We want to choose our own projects. But the harsh reality? Nobody builds a massive client base overnight. The most common mistake fresh freelancers make is just assuming their portfolio is going to magically speak for itself. You could have literally world-class abilities, but if nobody knows you exist, well, those skills are completely hidden.
The absolute crucial takeaway here is that earning those perfect gigs means you have to actively market yourself. Technical skills alone? They're simply not enough to succeed in freelancing today. You've got to make a solid, consistent effort to build your personal brand, connect with potential clients, and prove to companies that you are the exact right person to hire. Seriously, the absolute worst thing you can do for your professional reputation is to hide it.
To make all this self-marketing way more approachable, we've broken these strategies down into a 4-phase blueprint. We've got phase 1, build your digital foundation. Phase 2, communicate with confidence. Phase 3, network and share proof. And finally, phase 4, keep growing your career. Let's get into it.
Starting with phase 1, build your digital foundation. This is all about establishing your unique personal brand before you ever even think about sending a pitch.
All right, tip number 1 is defining your niche and your unique value proposition. This is vital, guys, because focusing on a very specific specialization makes your marketing truly authentic. Now, being a jack of all trades might seem like a really safe bet, but it actually makes it so much harder to stand out. A defined niche is basically a magnet for high-paying clients who are actively hunting for real experts. Just think about it from the client's perspective for a second. If they need deep technical knowledge, they are going to skip right past the generic generalist and zero in on a specialized expert, like, say, a coding and automation wizard. When you specialize, you work faster, you pitch more confidently, and you don't have to chase every fleeting trend. You just promote your niche and let your reputation do the heavy lifting. Moving on to tip 2 and 3, which is all about your digital footprint. You have to systematically optimize your profiles on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn. Use professional photos, write compelling, keyword-rich headlines, and really sell your services. But don't stop there. Develop a professional online presence by launching your own SEO-optimized personal webpage or portfolio. The internet is global, so make sure people from anywhere can easily find you and see your best work. And when you're putting together your resume or portfolio documents, keep it incredibly simple and digestible. Employers are busy. Stick to a clean, readable format, like Times New Roman 12-point font. You don't need to write your whole life story here. Just highlight your highest education, relevant past achievements, your hard skills, and definitely those soft skills that prove you're a great communicator and a true professional. Okay, let's jump into phase 2, communicate with confidence. Now that your digital foundation is rock solid, we need to refine exactly how you talk to clients. Tip 4 is all about your communication and proposal writing skills. Please be conversational. Instead of sending some stiff, robotic proposal, personalize every single message. Ask genuine questions to understand the client's needs and let a warm personality shine through. In our AI-driven world today, genuine human personalization is absolutely your superpower. Be professional, of course, but don't be afraid to use contractions and sound like a real person. Tip 5 is practicing how you talk about your work during interviews. This is prime marketing real estate. You've got to find that delicate sweet spot where you don't undermine your incredible skills, but you also aren't arrogantly overselling yourself. Rehearse talking about both your strengths and your weaknesses. Be proud of what you've achieved, but stay humble about the learning bumps along the way. Now check this out. Did you know that roughly 15 million Americans struggle with social anxiety? It's a huge number, and it can severely distort how you view yourself. Honestly, one of the biggest obstacles holding you back from marketing yourself effectively might just be your own internal self-doubt and negative self-talk. So tip 6 is to shut down that self-doubt by continuously upgrading your skills. If you don't feel like the absolute best in your field yet, change that. Earn new certifications, take online courses, read industry books, and get hands-on practical learning. Because once you acquire that deep knowledge, your confidence naturally skyrockets, and clients will undoubtedly see you as the expert you are.
Next up, Phase 3, Network and Share Proof. It is time to step out of your bubble and provide some tangible, real-world evidence of your amazing skills.
Tip 7 is all about networking consistently. You have to move beyond just quietly following people online. Take the leap. Engage actively in professional communities, hop on webinars, participate in LinkedIn groups, and go to real-life industry events. It might feel a little intimidating at first, but expanding your network by starting actual conversations is exactly how you uncover new hidden opportunities. Tip 8 revolves around producing and sharing valuable content, like case studies, articles, and videos, while making sure you protect your work samples. Because your portfolio is your best marketing tool, you need to secure it. Add watermarks, embed your name right onto the files, and include your website address for traceability. That way, your brilliant work always leads directly back to you. Let's talk about trust, which is quite literally the ultimate currency in freelancing. A whopping 52% of US adults explicitly trust reviews from other service users. That goes to show that a satisfied client's recommendation is vastly more powerful than the best cold email you could ever write. Social proof is everything. Which brings us to tip 9, securing those referrals. But here's a catch. You have to deliver exceptional client service first. Meet your deadlines, maintain incredible quality, communicate proactively, and basically just exceed their expectations. Once you've wowed them, ask for honest public feedback, request direct testimonials, and maybe even offer a discount on their next commission as a little thank you incentive. It's a game changer for repeat business. Finally, Phase 4, keep growing your career. Because the marketing journey never truly stops, even after you've found initial success. Tip 10 is selectively seeking out a mentor. Find a comfortable, experienced coach who can give you targeted professional advice and help you set strategic marketing benchmarks. If you ever feel like you've hit a plateau, a great mentor can help you push past it and get your name out there even more effectively. Just make sure it's someone you truly connect with so you can tackle those big career goals together. To wrap this all up, successful freelancers consistently invest in both their skills and their personal brand. Thank you for watching this explainer. I genuinely hope these 10 strategies will help you market yourself more effectively and grow your freelance career. If you found this explainer helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more professional learning content on freelancing, meal, career development, and consulting. I am Mr. Hussain, meal expert at PMCC Gilgit-Baltistan. Allah Hafez, and see you in the next explainer.